I'm so excited. I'm so excited because this is my August box opening, order opening. And this is what I got. I'm so excited. This is my August Young Living order. And let me start with my favorite. It's right here. It's the Ninja juice. Now, 4 bottles is 1 month supply for one person, but I want to be super healthy. It's the world's most powerful antioxidant. You drink a little bit every morning, a little bit every night. I double up because I want to have lots of abundance and lots of health. And so that's one order, and just 4 bottles, which is 1 month supply, is 130 PV, so you're already over your minimum just by ordering this wonderful thing. Now, what is this? Sulfurzyme. I just found out about that. You can see my hair is white, and it's been white for about 10 years, and maybe even more than that. And so sulfurzyme actually rejuvenates the body's ability to create pigment. And so I've seen testimonials of Young Living members who at age 70 or over have, in a 1-year period, taking this every single day, they have their pure brown hair or red hair, whatever was their natural color, all back again. So I'm going to do that and check back in a year, see if my hair is brown. And this, oh my God, I love this. This is, you might wonder what it is. Oh my God, it's my favorite soap in the entire world. Why? Because it's absolutely jet black. It's jet black. It's called charcoal soap. And it smells, even through the plastic, it smells divine, and it froths beautifully. And even though it's black, which is kind of strange for a soap, it cleans spectacularly well. And I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. And this I won't tell you about yet. I'm very excited. But here's what I ordered. I ordered 2 patchouli, 2 aroma life, and 2 ylang ylang, because I looked through the Oily Lounge private Facebook group, and I looked through oil-testimonials.com, and there were a lot of people claiming that different oils help lower their blood pressure. And so I read them all, and then I made my choice, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 20 drops of each of these every day, once a day, in water, actually in my Ninja juice, and that'll be exactly a 1 month supply. And I also got lots of free oils, and so I'm going to add the ones that seem to make sense. So these 6 are for lowering my blood pressure, and this is Northern Lights Black Spruce. It has the most delicious fragrance in the entire universe. Oh, I love it. What I do almost every night is I put hand cream or some oil on my wife's feet, and I rub it in a bit, and then I put a little bit of this Northern Lights Black Spruce on her feet, and then rub that in. And it's such for the massage person, me, I love the fragrance of the oil. I love making my wife happy, and she loves that feeling and falls fast asleep. She has trouble sleeping, and this oil is spectacular for helping you fall asleep. Now, I'm gonna open it, and I'll tell you why. You can see it has a white cap, and it's a little hard to roll this on. I mean, you have to kind of scrub it against your feet, which might make you think that you should only use it for one person. And so what you do is you order this little item, and this is Rollerballs. And you can see the Rollerball has a black lid, so you can tell it's a Rollerball. And how do you get the little clear plastic top off in order to install the Rollerball? And here's the answer. Look at this very carefully. This screws right in, but you don't do that. You just put it on and turn it like a half, just a little bit, and then watch this. You just, oh, didn't work. There you go. You just pop it off. You just pop it off. You just put it on like a half a turn, and it just pops off. So you can see, here's the old clear plastic. And then all you do is you push the Rollerball in, and it just slides right in. And by the way, you can just slide it right out, so you can reuse it. And you put the black lid on, and then you can immediately see which one of your oils have the Rollerball on it. And even though you can keep reusing it, I'd like to keep one per oil kind. And so I bought a 10-pack. It was really inexpensive. It was $10, I think, for a 10-pack. And it's called Aromaglide. Aromaglide, so you can buy those. And then what I did is I bought Idaho Blue Spruce. I just bought a little one, 5 mil, because my wife and I love the fragrance of Northern Lights black spruce so much that we decided we would try a different related flavor, different related fragrance. And so I bought this one just to see. And of course, I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be taking the lid off and putting on a Rollerball. And now you might wonder, what's this thing? And what's all this stuff? And here's the answer. My wife bought 130 PV. She bought 1 month's supply. And I bought 600 PV. And because we bought so much, we got all these gifts. And I haven't even seen this gift. I don't even know what this gift is. So I'm gonna open this right in front of you. This is a gift that I got just because we ordered so much. By the way, even ordering 100 PV, you get a gift. But the more you order, the more gifts you get. What is this? Wow, it's a leather backpack, monogrammed YL. I hope you can see that. Monogram YL, it's still in its plastic case. And I've seen this before. Oh yeah, this is what people talk about. It has little room for the oils. It can carry like 200 oils or something like that. So if you're going to make a presentation or if you just want to carry them around with you. Yeah, I'm not going to take it out of the plastic case because I might hold a contest and give it to someone in my group. Yeah, I might just do a contest. Wow. But what's all this stuff? This is stuff I got for free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 free gifts because I bought a lot of stuff. So this one is the Thieves Hand Sanitizer Waterless. And it's like the Lysol pumps that you see in stores, but Lysol's got a lot of dangerous chemicals in it. And so what I'm gonna do is carry this with me, and whenever someone at the front of a store says, you gotta sanitize your hands, I'll sanitize with this, and it'll say hand sanitizer waterless right on it. So I'm really happy for this. I don't want Clorox, bleach, Javex, Lysol, Drano. I don't want any of those harmful chemicals in my home. Now, what is this? I got lime and tangerine and grapefruit and grapefruit and grapefruit. So I've got 5 citric oils. And the citric oils do something quite startling. You'd expect that they would liven you up, they would give you excitement. And they do, but they also calm you down. It's very strange. They liven you up, but in a grounded way, not in a hectic way. So I've got 5 of those, I'm really excited. Geranium is like something like lavender. It's got a beautiful flower fragrance, and it is also very calming, just like lavender. And then I have cypress, and cypress is the same kind of energy as Northern Lights black spruce or Idaho blue spruce. So I have it right here. I have Essential Oil Desk Reference 8th edition. Essential Oils Desk Reference 8th edition. And you can't buy this through Young Living, but you buy it through a related company called Life Sciences Productions. Life Sciences Publication, yeah. Life Sciences Publication, LSP. And so the website is discoverlsp.com. Life Sciences Productions, discoverlsp.com. And just order it. It's not expensive. It's about $40. And it's over 600 pages long. And it goes through every single Young Living oil that's either from an individual source like tangerine or from a combination source. So I'm going to be looking up every single one of the oils that I just got. Like here it says Stress Away, which is a combination oil, and it tells you this is a gentle, fragrant blend that brings feelings of peace and tranquility to both children and adults and helps relieve daily stress and nervous tension. It helps with normal everyday stress, improves mental response, restores equilibrium, promotes relaxation, and lowers hypertension. Well, hypertension is high blood pressure. So Stress Away, I got that for free. And here it is. I got it for free. And so even though it wasn't my original recipe, I'm going to be adding 20 drops a day of Stress Away because it says right here that it helps lower hypertension. And I got 2 free bottles of RC. RC, what the heck's that? So I looked it up, and RC stands for respiratory comfort. That means breathing comfort. So I'm training for a 5K now, even though I'm 75 years old and haven't run in 40 years. What I do is I rub RC on my hands and then breathe it in. And well, now I've got 2 more free bottles of RC, so I'll be able to run for a long, long time, and it'll help my breathing and my running. And what else do I get? Carrot seed. Well, carrot seed obviously helps with beta carotene, so it improves your eyesight. That's good. And acceptance. So that's one of the emotional oils that allows you to accept other people's opinions and beliefs without getting upset. That's great. And cypress, I told you about. And then this one, Kids Sense. It's for kids care. So I'm going to look it up. Maybe kids care is, I don't know what it's for, but I'm going to look it up. I don't have any children at home. Maybe I'll give it as a gift, or maybe it still has a use for adults. I know that Stress Away, by the way, is good for cats. Every so often, my cat starts crying and crying and crying, and I don't know what's wrong with her. So I'm going to just rub some Stress Away on my palms and pet my cat with it. Because we diffuse the oils all the time, and my cat's very happy with it. Just every so often she gets upset. And Jack Canfield has a dog that was mistreated as a pup, and whenever a car comes up the driveway, she starts shivering. And so what they do is they just caress her with Stress Away, and the shivering goes away very quickly. So I'm going to see what Kids Sense is. And lemongrass. I don't even know what lemongrass is for. I should look it up. And vetiver. Vetiver, I've never even heard that word, so I'm going to have to look that up. So it's a good thing I've got my desk reference. I've got all these amazing, over a dozen gifts, and I got this gift, and I've got these oils that will help me lower my blood pressure, and I might even add another 1 or 2, like, well, I'll just have to see. Acceptance, you know what? If I can accept other people, that might, not accepting other people, like getting upset at other people's opinions, might tend to increase blood pressure, so I'm going to add that too. Can't hurt. So now I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 oils that I'm going to put in a glass, and I'm going to fill the glass with Ninja juice. Well, not fill it. Put in a couple ounces of Ninja juice and fill it with water and ice. I'm going to have a wonderful time and clean my hands with something that isn't full of harmful chemicals. And I can't wait to start using my charcoal soap. Make sure you add that. Anyways, that's my unboxing ceremony for August. I'm in Canada, in Mississauga, which is right beside Toronto, and I order on the 1st of every month, and I insist that everyone in my organization orders on the 1st day of every month. Go into your account and change it to the 5th of the month. I think that's the earliest they can allow. Go into monthly order, and then you'll see processing date. Change it to the 5th. Please do that right now. And then don't even wait to the 5th. On the 1st day of every month, go in and place your order, because I got my boxes on the 5th. I ordered on the 1st, and they were picked and put in a courier and sent and delivered to me, and I received them on the 5th, and today is the 6th, and I'm showing it all to you. So I'm very excited. I'm very excited because I've been without Ninja juice for a few days. I'm really, really excited. So basically, order lots of stuff because it's wonderful. Get all the harmful chemicals out of your home using the Thieves Cleaners. Raymond, why didn't you buy Thieves Cleaners? Because I ordered them last month, and I still have them. And get lots and lots of free products so that you can try new stuff. Anyways, that's it. I love Young Living. Bye-bye.